Happy Valentine's Day, everybody. Valentine's Day for y'all. For us, it's Thursday still right now. This afternoon, we're making some Valentine's Day treats, though. We're gonna start with a fruit pizza. So I've got 1 stick of softened, unsalted butter in there. We're gonna put half a cup of sugar and a 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Okay, we'll cream that together. I've already got the oven preheated to 350. Okay, we're putting in 1 egg and a teaspoon of vanilla. Okay, we're going to scrape the sides down here and we'll start putting in the dry ingredients. The first thing we need is 1 cup and a 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. There's a cup, and we'll go ahead and put in that 1/4 cup. We need a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of baking powder. Okay. I've got these little heart pans that I got from Ingles, so we're just going to spray it with some cooking spray. And spread the crust in here. Alright, it's going in the oven for about 12 to 15 minutes or so. I'll start checking it at 12. For the next one, we just have a brownie mix here. We're just going to make a heart-shaped brownie with the other pan. I can't remember what kind of brownie mix this was. I think like triple chocolate or something maybe. We got it in a big box from Costco. Need a 1/4 cup of water, 1/3 of a cup of oil, and 1 egg. I should have put this brownie one in first because it's going to take longer, but can't go back now. Alright, now we'll just spray our other heart pan. Pour it in. While those are in the oven, we're going to vacuum, and when the cookie one gets done, then we'll make the cream cheese spread that goes on top of it. I'm just going to put strawberries on this one. Sometimes we do, you know, lots of different fruits, but I think it's just going to be strawberries since it's a heart Valentine's Day one. Yeah, they're in the oven. Okay, we're gonna make the cream cheese spread for the fruit pizza heart now. So I've got this just plain cream cheese spread. We're gonna put it into the mixer. I don't know if we'll need all of it. I think I'm gonna leave a little bit of it in here because I don't think we'll need it all. I think we'll just need about 3/4 of it. Okay, and we're gonna sweeten this with just a little bit of this blackberry honey. I think about 2 tablespoons should do it. Okay, we're going to put just a little bit of vanilla. And I don't have a lemon. I would add a little bit of lemon zest, but I don't have a lemon, so we're going to leave that out. I don't think I do. No, I don't have one, so we'll just skip that this time. just spread this onto the crust, and then I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator while we get the strawberries sliced up. I'm making one of the kids' favorites for supper tonight too. Okay. He said he's gonna be the taste tester. Well, at least the kids that are gonna be here, it's just gonna be like a baked, I think I have rotini or some kind of pasta. I'm not sure what I have. Ziti or something. Anyway, I'm just gonna make like a really quick baked pasta. It's really easy. Y'all seen me make it a bunch of times. It's one of their favorites. Taste tester, you ready? Do you want to taste the fruit pizza or the brownie?
Brownie.
Okay, there you go. Is it good?
Is this brownies?
Yeah. Is it good?
Mama, this is actual brownies that you made?
It's just the two of us in here right now, so I guess I'll taste the fruit pizza. That's good too.